feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip.
Hey, guess who is vlogging today? It's me. Hey guys, so today I am vlogging. Why? Because I'm going on a trip with my hubby. So it's just 2 days trip. You guys know it's long I vlog. I don't know why I find it difficult to vlog. I don't know. I was like, okay, we are traveling, why not just vlog even if it is just 2 days? So I decided to like, okay, let me vlog it. I was talking with a friend and the friend just said, I said the difficult part of this is carrying my camera around vlogging. And she said, why not just pick your phone, vlog little clips and add them together? I said, thank you. So that is why I am vlogging. I said, okay, let me just vlog this trip for you guys. Okay, since it has been a while, it has been decades. Okay, it has been years. I said, why not? If not, I am traveling just for 2 days. And you guys see, if I show you guys my suitcase for 2 days, you will not believe it. You see how big it is. I don't know, when I'm traveling, even if I'm traveling for 2 days, 3 days, it does not change anything for me. I like packing load. You know why? Because when I arrive, I don't want to be thinking, oh, I was supposed to take this, I was supposed to take this. So that is why I like packing a lot. Just for 2 days, if I show you guys the things that I'm going to pack, you will not believe it. So that is just me. Okay, that is just me. It's good. Okay. So I have been looking for a good hand dryer to buy, a very good one. So I just ordered one. Immediately I ordered this one. You guys know what? A company that contacted me and sent a hair dryer to me. I was like, what? I just ordered one and so this is the one I ordered. Maybe I'm going to give this away. Then the one they sent to me is this one. I know you cannot compare the two. This one is of quality. You see, this is it's a cordless hair dryer. You see, I think the video will be coming out before this very vlog. So this is it. You see, it's cordless. Why this one has cord? This one came with cord. This one I bought. So I'm going to put the link on the description in case if you're interested. This wig, whenever I'm going out, whenever I'm traveling, I wear this wig. I don't know why. I so much love this wig. I have this wig, I think it's been 3 years now, 4 years. It's from Forever, is it Forever Hair, something like that, I can't remember. So I did this wig myself. So I'm contemplating on the wig that I will carry with me. I'm thinking of taking this coily one. See this one? I'm thinking of taking this with me. This hair is from where is it from? Okay, it's from MSCOCO. 12 inches short coily hair. I don't so much like coily hair. I don't know why. Coily hair, I find it difficult, but I said why not, since it's going to rain. If water touches this, the coils will define the more. I was just contemplating, let me take that. Or second option, I have this one. It's colored. Let me show you guys this orange one here. So I'm thinking of, should I take the two along with me? I don't know what to do. I don't really know what to do. Maybe I should take the two along with me since I have big luggage. If I decide to change my mind when I arrive there, I can wear either of these one or the coily one. I don't know what to do. I don't even know what to choose. So that is that. I'm so really happy taking this little break. All thanks to my hubby, okay, that decided we should like go for the weekend, because I'm so happy taking this little break, okay, to like woo, breathe a little. So let me sit here and be talking to you guys. Okay, as I was saying, all the time you work, you don't take break, it's not good. So when my hubby suggests we should go for 2 days, I'm like, oh, thank you so much. I'm the happiest person, okay? And I think when I return, I'm still traveling again, so I'll travel. Let me zoom. Okay. Okay, so when I return, I will still travel again. Okay, I'm going to travel again for like another 2 days, but I'm going to another place. I'm going alone. So that is it. I bought some things. One thing, when I'm sleeping, I don't sleep with clothes. I don't know if you are that type of girl. Let me know in the comment section. Do you sleep with clothes? When I'm sleeping, I like whew, I just sleep like that without wearing any clothes on me. I like it that way. Okay, I saw these two kimono. See them? Bought the red and I bought the black as well. So I bought these two colors. You see? So I like them. The texture is really cool. They are still in the carton. You see, I've not removed them. I just bought them. So I'm not taking this with me anyway. So I'm going to put the link on the description in case if you're interested. And all the hair, this wig I'm wearing there, this one, the curly hair, you guys are going to see it in the vlog. Or if I wear this one is from WorldNewHair. The orange one I showed you guys, this one, I don't know anyone I'm going to wear. All the things I just showed you guys, I'm going to put the link of them on the description box. So if you're interested, just check that out.
Je reste disponible sur le quai à la voiture 3 pour toute information jusqu'à notre départ prévu à 11h20.
So guys, this is the room we just got in. It's a simple bed, a mirror. It's the safe where you can put your documents. They have 2 extra pillow here. This is my hobby's shirts. And what's this? What do they have here? Okay, they have in here a hand dryer. It's hair dryer here. Yeah, it's simple. In here, it's telling that's my bag. Nothing too important. And there is a sofa. What's the name of this? is the toilet. Nothing more interesting here. And this is the bathroom. I have some towel and a big mirror. Push in. Nothing special.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone.
Guys, finally I came with this small luggage. I showed you guys a big one, and I found out that that one was too big for just 2 days, so I had to come with this small hand luggage.
Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. I never left it.
I came to visit this park, this beautiful park. They have different plants, they have flowers, they have some vegetables. I was just going around. So this is the view. Just look at here, how beautiful. That way you can see all over this way. You can see there are some plants here, and we are going this way. I'm going this way. Let's go.
I don't wanna be alone. Spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on.
Guys, finally I found a restaurant where I can eat.
It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. This fool thinking it's the best of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not.
Guys, rain is falling. Let's see outside. Whoa, see, the rain is falling. We just came in, and you see, wow, see outside the rain, and it's falling seriously. Wow. Hey guys, good morning. Today is another day. I have my coffee with me. I'm going out, so where am I going today? I'm going for shopping. I just want to tour around this place to see their boutique, to see what they have. When I travel, always my ritual, I always like visit boutiques around, then buy some things. Okay,
You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you.
I just arrived where I want to do my shopping. This is the area. It's called Troisième Door. Let me zoom it. There you see Troisième Door. And this is a tram station.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
How beautiful it is behind me. I came to this park to eat, picnic. There are lots of children, so many people here.
Là j'ai mal de mer. Regardez, il est tombé en panne. Oh bah merde, il manquait plus.
Just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
Regardez mon assiette. On voit mon assiette ici.
Was born beneath a veil.